So as you can see in the caption, the turn signal light is out. I'm gonna attempt to replace it. So first, you're gonna want to turn this wheel out to your left, because you're gonna have to open this. Oh, it's mad dirty. You're gonna open these 2x4s right here. That one right there, and this one right here. But to do that, you're just gonna need like a quarter, and just turn it to your left. Can't see shit. That one is open. And you just open this. Alright. So this one is for the turn signal, and this one right here is for the headlights. So if you're gonna change the headlight, this is the one you're gonna open. But this one for the turn signal, you just turn it to your left and pull it out. And as you can see, the bulb is good, but it looked like it was burning. The little metal piece on this side, focus. Yeah, the metal piece on this side is broken. I went ahead and ordered this piece though from Amazon. Got it in the mail, so I'm gonna attempt to put it in and see if that works. So here's a new one. This is what it looks like. Oops. And this is the old one. As you can see, this one is messed up. To get this bulb out, you're just gonna push the light down and turn it, and that's it. And you do the same thing to put it back in. Try to do this with my one hand. Push it down and turn it. I'm going to reinstall it and test it and see if it works. Car is mad dirty, but as you can see, indicator works. JB Custom. Alright, safety first. Now I can go wash this car, but first I'm gonna put this back in. Same way you take it out, that's the same way you put it in. That's a wrap for today's video.